Behind the scenes, there are murmurs of change coming from Tesla's manufacturing sites, where difficulties have caused a drop in car deliveries, possibly setback, but only a lull in a magnificent symphony. What's taking place is with an incredible 2 million Cybertruck back orders, Tesla is set to ascend into uncharted territory. Tesla has the battlefield down for pickup trucks. As when the gauntlet is hurled, contestants shudder as they realize how difficult the task ahead will be as the course unfolds. Tesla is indicating another leg of strong growth with its unwavering focus on the battery storage industry. In this worldview, the options are as boundless as the sky. Keep checking back as we examine the mysterious path that Tesla likes to take. Hit that notification and subscribe. Ring welcome to Tesla Hype. Let's get this video began by taking a brief look at Tesla's electric world. In the third quarter of 2023, Tesla's factories were busy, producing an impressive 430,000 vehicles, of which 43,559 were delivered to eager customers. You may remember that in the previous quarter, 479 Teslas were born, and 466,000 found new homes. Why the decline? You ask, well, keep in mind that during Tesla's Q2 2023 earnings call, the company mentioned that they would be taking a short break to improve their production facilities. That's right, even. With that brief pause, Tesla's delivery count for Q3 2023 exceeded their production for the quarter. So, dear reader, what's the lesson here? The demand for Teslas around the world hasn't decreased. Analysts anticipate that Tesla will report Q3 2023 financial results on October 21, 2023, with revenues of approximately $25.09 billion and earnings per share of 71. Tesla's financial performance in Q30 2023 was closely watched by investors as the company faced several challenges, including the ongoing global chip shortage, supply chain disruptions, and rising costs. However, Tesla is also benefiting from strong demand for its electric vehicles, and the company has been able to increase production capacity in recent months. It remains to be seen whether Tesla will be able to meet or beat analyst expectations for Q3 23. However, the company is well positioned to continue to grow its business in the long term. Judging by the number of Teslas cruising out during the quarter, we have a hunch that the actual results might just sneak below these top and bottom estimates. Yet, while the spotlight often shines on their cars, don't forget their energy storage stage act. It's likely to offset some of that impact. Margins, we're glad you asked. Even with milder revenues, our projections hint at plumper gross margins thanks to factors like the pricier Model I falling commodity prices, more hands-off assembly lines, and depreciation. However, that coin has a flip side as Tesla amps up production for the futuristic Cybertruck. And the energy storing Megapack, coupled with increased investments in artificial intelligence profit margins, may somewhat contract. As a result, this quarter's earnings per share may slightly decline from the previous one, but they will still be far higher than they were last year. The storyline of Tesla is still the same, and we're sticking to our $1,492 price tag that was determined by a 10-year financial forecast. Mathematicians among you will appreciate our model, which consistently grows revenue by 50 over a 10-year period while maintaining profit margins of 10. Let's shift gears, please, and drum roll. The first Cybertruck is rolling off the assembly line. Talks of launch events are rife, indicating that the much-awaited debut of the Cybertruck is quickly approaching. Consider it. Pickup trucks are a mainstay, making up a staggering 20% of the U.S. auto market. Tesla showroom needed this large piece of the puzzle, but that piece is no longer needed because we are all waiting impatiently to see the Cybertrucks and zooming out to see the pickup truck landscape in its entirety. America's best-selling vehicle, the Ford FS Series pickups are a timeless representation of the country's power and adaptability. The General Motors Chevrolet Silverado is a strong competitor in the fierce competition for truck aficionados' affections as it enters the electric revolution in this tough field. With an impressive range of 320 miles, the F-150 Lightning is ready to travel far and wide. With a formidable towing capacity of 7,700 lb, it's not just a green machine, but a powerful workhorse. All of this comes with a starting price that's remarkably accessible, starting at just $50,000 on the other side of the electrified battlefield. Ford makes its electrifying mark with this truck. With a 400-mile range on a single charge, Chevrolet's Silverado EV is expected to compete with competing vehicles. However, what really makes it stand out is its incredible 10,000-pound towing capacity, which makes it a formidable competitor in the electric truck market. With a starting price of $52,000, it is a competitive option in this expanding sector. With that said, let's move on to the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck. This futuristic marvel boasts an epic 500-mile range, setting a new set. Standard for electric truck travel, its Herculean towing capacity of 14. Zero there'll no doubt that it means business. But let's not leap too far ahead. Both the electric and traditional fuel-fed versions of Ford and Chevy trucks are locked in the same arena as the Cybertruck, challenging its dominance and pushing the boundaries of innovation in this electrified showdown. The stage is set for a battle of epic proportions where the legacy of classic American trucks meets. Yes, the cutting-edge prowess of electric power, the future of pickup trucks, has never looked more exciting, with each contender vying for the spotlight in this electrifying transformation of the automotive world. However, with the Cybertruck's jaw-dropping specs, we predict it'll be the hot topic of driveway conversations. But a word of caution: the demand might rev up faster than Tesla can handle. Bad Boys, thanks to the intricate design and production details over time. As the Cybertruck buzz grows louder, we expect Tesla to amp up production. Bridging the gap between supply and demand, let's make a bold prediction. Despite its distinctive, almost futuristic appearance, which some argue lacks universal appeal, we're betting that Cybertruck sales will exceed expectations. This may sound like we're playing the same old song, but hear us out. The Cybertruck is to the pickup world from what the iPhone was to mobile phones. Remember the wave of change the iPhone brought? It wasn't just a phone, it was a revolution. Similarly, the Cybertruck, with its revolutionary features, is poised to redefine the pickup experience. Watch as it electrifies the sales chart in the times to come. Now that United Auto Workers has taken a stand, here's the twist: it might not be the miracle cure. Imagine the production lines of industry giants like Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis grinding to a halt. While many would hastily bet that such a disruption would be a blessing for Tesla, we're here to put a stop to that thought. Even if these automotive behemoths do feel the pinch from the UA strike, they're more likely to absorb the hit of increased labor costs rather than pass it on to consumers. Why? Well, with the car industry raking in the big bucks, these titans aren't going to let a labor cost of $45 per vehicle run them off the road. Just look at F and GM forecasting a whopping $110, $12 billion, and $930.07 billion respectively for 2023. Now let's add another layer. It's not as simple as one player losing and another winning before things escalate. Although US initial requests appeared to be well-founded, such a large pay hike would force automakers to produce more robots than people in the future. What can be learned from this? In the short term, the US stand might hurt GM and Steel's profit margins, but in the long run, these companies might embrace automation even more aggressively, defying popular belief. Therefore, this might not mean an absolute victory for Tesla. The car chessboard is quite large, and each move has an effect. Have you heard of the Inflation Reduction Act? This massive green energy promoter, which has a staggering $400 billion in investment, appears to be perfectly aligned with Tesla's mission of accelerating the global transition to renewable energy sources. The good news never stops. The investment tax credit has made Tesla's electric cars even more affordable. This tax credit encourages the use of environmentally friendly transportation options while also making Tesla's remarkable EVs more affordable. There are further reasons to applaud Tesla's energy storage solutions, in addition to the financial boost that makes Tesla's electric vehicles more affordable and encourages a larger audience to join the green revolution. With the possibility to receive up to thirding tax credits, the Powerwall and Megapack are also in the spotlight. With these tax credits, they provide a strong financial incentive in addition to highlighting their environmental benefits. When clean energy objectives are matched with real financial advantages, Tesla's energy storage technologies become even more alluring. This is a calculated move that demonstrates Tesla's resolve to transform the energy landscape while offering its clients real benefits. Imagine that the IRA has set aside a whopping $122 billion to spread renewable energy magic throughout rural America. And guess what? Batteries. This vision demands the best possible battery storage options. Enter the USDF, which is inundated with financing requests that demonstrate the enthusiasm and desire for this venture. This is a momentous occasion as the US may surge from its present 133 to a whopping 60 of the global market. Utility firms may be approaching Tesla for help with their storage demands if they decide to rely solely on solar and wind power by 2030. Spend a moment with me, Globetrap. Not only is Tesla creating waves in the US, but its energy storage capabilities are also illuminating regions in Europe, Australia, and India. Speaking of demand, would you believe that Tesla's tango with the Indian government on the Powerwall is paving the way for some fascinating developments? The mega pack is already fully booked through Q3 2024. Despite the recent opening of a brand new mega factory in China, Tesla is not resting on its laurels and plans to continue expanding with another strong quarter under its belt and a bright future that extends to infinity and beyond. Tesla is on the rise. However, consider the following. Tesla's stock may look like a roller coaster offering day traders exhilarating highs and lows, but this isn't just a short-lived thrill ride. Investors who follow the buy and hold strategy may end up traveling a beautiful route with rewarding vistas. In essence, this is a story of long-term growth rather than just short-term gains. Here at Tesla, we're all buckled up for an exciting journey ahead with Tesla leading the way. From its synergy with the Inflation Reduction Act to its expanding global footprint and a commitment to battery storage that's electrifying the industry, Tesla stands tall, not just as a market leader, but also as a beacon guiding us towards a sustainable future with a stellar decade of growth on the horizon. Since Tesla is a revolution rather than just an automobile manufacturer, how do you think the company will continue to pave the way for a sustainable future? How will their stock performance reflect their global ambitions? With so much potential, where do you see them in 10 years? We value your opinions, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this tour through Tesla's world and would like to stay up to date on all things Tesla hype, please do us a favor. Please click the like and subscribe buttons for more thrilling updates. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in our upcoming films.